2018 Buick Envision review. This middle-of-the-road crossover SUV scores points for value. Among small luxury crossover SUVs, the 2018 Buick Envision could possibly be worth the attention. Though its exterior styling is generic, they are available in a generous level of features for that price and has now an attractive interior trimmed in high-quality materials. It slots relating to the compact Encore and larger Enclave in Buick's portfolio. As such, it's pretty an easy task to maneuver around town but nonetheless has a decent level of interior and cargo space. Stepping as much as the Envision's optional turbocharged 2.0-litre engine because it provides a much more suitable quantity of power for any luxury crossover. At that point, the Envision is priced similarly to crossovers including the Acura RDX and Volvo XC60, however less than what you'll probably pay for an Audi Q5 or BMW X3. In total, you'll find nothing about the Envision making it truly stick out in this class, but it really nonetheless covers the bases sufficiently to make it worth a glance. What's new? The Buick Envision carries over largely unchanged for 2018. We think about the turbocharged 2.0-litre engine upgrade, the top fit for your 2018 Buick Envision. The base 2.5-litre engine struggles a little by comparison. For this reason, the premium or premium 2 trims, that are the only ones into the future with the turbocharged engine. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Buick Envision is often a mid-size crossover SUV with seating for 5. There are 5 trim levels offered, starting using the base Envision trim. It is only available as front-wheel drive and features a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine, 197 horsepower, 192 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive may be added to the preferred and Essence trims. The Premium and Premium 2 trims have all-wheel drive as standard and are available with a turbocharged 2.0-litre engine, 252 horsepower, 260 lb-ft. All Envisions make use of a 6-speed automatic transmission. Standard features for that base Envision trim include 18-inch wheels, fog lights, auto-dimming and heated mirrors, a hands-free power liftgate with adjustable opening heights, rear parking sensors, keyless ignition and entry, remote start, dual-zone automatic climate control, power adjustable and heated front seats, and 6040 split folding rear seats. Standard tech features include OnStar communications, includes 4G LTE connection and Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, a rear view camera, an 8-inch touch screen, a rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, 4 USB ports, 2 turbocharged Bluetooth, plus a 6-speaker audio system with satellite radio. The preferred trim is largely the same but is qualified to apply for more options. The Essence trim adds 3-zone automatic climate control, leather upholstery, a heated leather, driver seat memory settings, heated outboard rear seats, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. Stepping around, the Premium trim gets you 19-inch wheels, front parking sensors, automatic wipers, an increased driver information display, a 7-speaker Bose premium stereo audio, a 110-volt household power outlet, a forward collision alert system, and lane departure warning and intervention system. At the top of the range, the Premium 2 trim adds adaptive xenon headlights, automatic high beams, an automatic parking system, a navigation system, a head-up display, an extendable thigh support with a driver seat, and ventilated front seats. This trim is eligible to the driver confidence package that also includes adaptive cruise control, a top-down parking camera system, and forward collision mitigation system with automatic braking. Some features can be obtained on supporting trims as options. Other add-ons such as a panoramic sunroof, side assist steps, a roof rack as well as a cargo cover. Trim tested. Has only limited experience while using 2018 Envision. The following is our first handle what's significant regarding it and what to expect. Driving. With the turbo 2.0-litre engine, power is adequate. It's enough to merge onto highways without issue. Expect a far more belabored experience while using base 2.5-litre engine. The Envision can feel somewhat unsettled and ponderous when driven around turns. Comfort. The seats are very cushioned and supportive for 2 long drives. The suspension ably assimilates bumps in side road, as well as the active noise-cancelling system helps to keep the cabin nice and quiet. Interior. Interior design and materials are nearly entry-level luxury car standards. Forward visibility is extremely good, nevertheless the thick rear roof pillars will obstruct the rearward view. There's lots of space inside rear seats for 3 adults, and also the slider recline function ought to keep them comfortable. Utility. There's an average level of space behind the spine seats, but folding them down she reveals 57.3 cubic feet of total cargo space, which can be smaller than average. Interior storage is generous, with lots of large bins and pockets to secure your personal items. Technology. Buick's based infotainment system is an easy task to use. The inclusion of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto makes operation a whole lot easier.